Meaning of dung.
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 Dung. Dung is a noun that refers to the excrement of animals, particularly herbivores. It can include feces and urine, and is often used as a fertilizer for crops. Dung plays an important role in ecological systems, as it provides essential nutrients for plants and serves as a food source for many insects and other small organisms. However, excessive accumulation of dung can lead to environmental problems, such as water pollution and the spread of disease. Proper management of dung is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems and sustainable agriculture.